Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video, we are going to show you remaking of the Asian knife which was used in the Chera dynasty. For centuries, this knife has been used in the Venad Chera dynasty. This is one of the oldest model which we are going to remake it. This knife is nearly 80 years old, which was used by the Varma Asans of Kanyakumari district. This knife was also known as Nadan Katti, which was mostly used by Nadas of Kanyakumari, Trivandrum and Kollam districts. There are only few blacksmiths who can overhaul this knife, so we are going to see him. This is the blacksmith who is expert in overhauling this knife. He is nearly 80 years old. This type of work is so minute, and the blacksmiths who can do this are nearly few in Kanyakumari district.
Shining star, giving, receiving, changing, believing, only then we could start. Feel like that. Feel like that.
In past centuries, this type of work is gone from this land. So finally the knife is remade, and this can last for next 40 years and more according to our usages. So this is commonly used for self-defense. Nowadays this type of knives are totally rare in Kanyakumari and Trivandrum districts.
Choose it, don't lose it, don't let confuse it.
Don't forget to subscribe this video and share this to your friends. Thank you all for watching us.